Hi everyone, it's Alex Sparks here from Sparks Finance and I'm your local mortgage broker. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to increase their interest rates by 0.25%, taking the total cash rate to 2.85%. Now, it wasn't an unexpected rate increase. Some people were forecasting 0.5%, some people were forecasting 0.25%. So to sit at 0.25% doesn't heap too much more pressure on the people with a variable home loan. Now, obviously, it isn't ideal. We just need to understand where we sit within the current market, and with the high inflation numbers that came through the previous week, we were definitely expecting a rise of some sort. As we've been saying over the last few months, it's really just so important to make sure that you're budgeting effectively, to make sure that you can combat these future rises if there are any, and obviously speaking with your mortgage broker or finance expert to make sure that you're still on the best home loan for you, and you're putting some measures in place to make sure that you're covered and prepared for any future rate increases. Now, obviously, we'll wait and see what banks pass that on. Some of the big banks, CBA, etc., have already passed that on. That full 0.25%. So we'll see if they continue to do so, and all the banks will follow suit, which we probably expect. However, we might see some lenders pass on only a portion of it, maybe 0.15 or something like that, to try to keep themselves within a competitive price within the market. So we'll wait and see what happens there. Other things to take into consideration within the finance market at the moment is the fixed rates are also starting to increase. They were relatively stagnant for a couple of months there, but they're starting to increase again, which may highlight the lenders forecasting, thinking that the rates will continue to increase. So once again, it's that conversation to have to see whether it is a good time to fix. There is still quite a large gap between where the variable rates are currently sitting and where the fixed rates are right now. So it's understanding what strategy you've got to bridge that gap, and whether it's a right thing for you to fix at this point, or possibly do a split loan or just stay on variable. So it's really important to have that discussion with your mortgage broker or finance expert to make sure that you're doing the right thing for your circumstances. The last thing we wanted to just touch on is as I discussed last month, the regional first home buyer guarantee scheme has opened in October. So there's an additional 10,000 places available there. So if you're a first home buyer looking to get into the market, living in the Bathurst and Central West area, makes you eligible for the regional first home buyer guarantee, which allows you to buy a property for a minimum of 5% deposit. So it's a fantastic opportunity to do that without paying any lender's mortgage insurance or any additional fees. But let's take advantage of these things. If you're trying to get into the market, understanding all the different things that are available to you can help you get into that property sooner. Thanks very much everyone for your time. I look forward to our video next month, and if you have any questions about the current interest rate rises, or you want to talk about your home loan or talk about the steps to get into the market, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.